Good morning, children. Today we will take up past tense for the topic active passive. Let's revise quickly the basic rules. The basic rules that are to be followed in any of the tenses which we have done or which we will be doing are same बच्चे, are same. So let's revise it quickly. Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Number 2, verb pattern changes. The tense does not change means a present tense sentence will remain a present tense. A past tense will remain a past tense. The action word will change into V3 and your verb will be singular or plural depending upon the subject of your passive voice. Third rule is pronouns change. If it is I, passive, it will be me. If it is he, in the active voice, passive voice, it will be him. For this you have to learn the table on page 292, I suppose. Next, you use the agent by. As you may notice here, by has been used before the object of the passive voice. So the basic rules are same, and as I had said before also, before I start with the past tenses, I will be taking 1 or 2 questions from here so as to revise the basic rules. Let's take up from each, okay, each type. Mom and dad love us. Mom and dad are my subject, love is the verb, us is the object. So us will change to beta we. We, because it is present tense and we is plural, I will use are. Love will be changing into third form, that is loved by mom and dad. I'll just save my time there of the video recording by writing only the initial letters. Next question. You do not keep your promise. Now this is a negative sentence. We have to focus on the use of not at a proper place. Subject is here, object is here. Verb is do not keep. So first change, subject becomes object and object becomes subject. So it will be your promise. It is singular. Is not. Keep will change into third form. Kept by you. Next. Category 3. This is interrogative. Are they whitewashing the building? They is my subject. Whitewashing is my verb. Building is my object. Are is also a question verb. So what will be the question remains a question. My subject will be building. Building is singular. So what will I use? Is the building. Is the building, ing is there, being whitewashed by, they will change to them. Remember to put a question mark. This is a rule that the sentence structure does not change. A question remains a question, a negative sentence will remain a negative, and further. Next, category 4. Category 4, बच्चे, if you remember, it was negative interrogative. So we'll take up one question. Does this bookseller not sell gift items? This bookseller is my subject. Gift items is my object. First change the place, and does not sell is my verb. But I don't have to change the place of the verb because the question will remain a question only. So gift items is plural. I will use are. Are gift items, I will write in short. Not, I told you not to change the place of this word not. Are gift items not sell will change to sold by this book seller. And question mark. Don't change this to that. That was a rule of narration and reported speech, not here. So I hope you could recall the rules which we had done last week. Now let's take past tense. In case बच्चे you are not able to, I miss showing you the page. Sometimes I forget, I get so engrossed in teaching, I forget to shift my page there or the book there. So you may open the book side by side. So past indefinite is simple past beta. Another basic rule which I forgot was that continuous tenses will take BEING. And perfect tense will take BEEN, and there is no passive for any past perfect or any perfect continuous. Let it be past present, there is no passive form. Let's start. For a simple past tense, you will find your verb in V2, second form. You will change it into was or were plus V3. V3 is the common rule beta. This I have mentioned already in the basic rules. So was or were will be used depending upon whether your subject passive voice is singular or plural. See the example, he shot a bird. A bird was shot by him. If the question was he shot birds, then what would be the answer? Birds were shot by him. Next, continuous tense will have ing. Was were plus V1 plus ing. So what is to be added? BEING. If you remember my words, I told you the basic rules are same. All you need to learn is present tense rules. Rest all will be very easy for you. He was making a kite. I'll read from till here only. He was making a kite. A kite is singular here, so a kite was being made by him. Had it been he was making kites, तो क्या होता बेटा? Kites were being made by him. Next, perfect tense always takes had, whether singular or plural subject is there. They had bribed the clerk. The clerk, what was the rule? Basic rule was to add BEEN. The clerk had been bribed by them. So the structure will be of verb, main changes in the verb. Had and V3 will be had been plus V3. This V3 is common for every passive sentence. Next, a negative in a past tense will have did not plus V1. So it will change into was were not plus V3. Continuous will have was were not plus V1 plus ing. Only you have to add BEING and place not word at the correct place. अगर आपको correct place याद है बेटा, तो मैंने बताया था you will place not where you can contract the verb. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? The students were being not taught. That is wrong. You cannot make a short form of being not. Being तो कोई word नहीं होता, लेकिन were not का होता है ना weren't. Was not का होता है wasn't. So that is the case you have to remember. Either you place it wherever it is already there. अगर ये verb के बाद है, इसको भी verb के बाद रखो. और नहीं याद रहता बेटा तो ये याद रखो. You have to place not with the verb which can be contracted, जिसका आप short form बना सकते हो. So example, the teacher was not teaching the students. अब students plural है. The students were not being taught by the teacher. If it was student only, a student या सिर्फ student होता बेटा, तो student was not being होता. ठीक है? Next, negative of perfect tense in a past perfect tense had not plus V3. Basic rule is to add B double EN. So we'll go like that. Had not been plus V3. He had never visited me before. He had never been visited before by him. I had never been visited before by him. Next comes interrogatives and negative interrogatives. What is the difference between the two? You will have a word not in the negative interrogative. Rest of the rules are all same you will structure will be same, did here, was were here. What is the change is the addition of the word not in the sentence. So structure will be did with V1, it will change into was were plus V3. All position will be same. Bachche, don't change the position of subject, object, verb here like that. Don't bring the verb in the beginning with this, because otherwise a question will not remain a question. So you have to remember this particular thing also. Example, did you eat my cheese? Now you is the subject, my cheese is the object. So what will be? My cheese is singular. Was my cheese eaten by you? Was my cheese eaten by you? Suppose, did you eat my chocolates? So were my chocolates. Why were? Because chocolates is plural. Were my chocolates eaten by you in that case. Next is negative interrogative. Interrogative with a continuous verb. Was and were will be in the beginning. V1 plus ing will be there. So what it will be changing into? Was were will remain was were only. You will add the word being before the action word, which will be in the third form. Were the police chasing some thieves? Thieves are my object. Police is my subject. Were chasing is my verb. So were some thieves being chased by the police? Again, just a reminder that if you are clear, first of all, with the present tense, this is not going to be troublesome. And again, if you have missed something there, if you are clear with the first gray strip, rest all the strips and rest all the rules for every kind of sentence. Affirmative, negative, interrogative, all will be very easy. Had in the perfect tense will be in the beginning for a question, and will be verb will be always in third form with has, have, had. So had will be taking been here before the verb, which is in the third form. Had the government made a mistake? Had a mistake been made by the government? If the question was, had the government made mistakes? Both the cases, bachche, whether this is singular or plural, in past tense we have had only, there is no change. So had mistakes been made by the government in that case. Next, negative interrogative will have only not in between, otherwise these both are same only. Pattern is same, only addition of word not is there. Did you not beat him? Did you not beat him? Now him is singular. Was he not beaten by you? Were, let's mark here, did not. V1 will change into was or were, not V3. Active voice, was, were will be there for a continuous tense. Not will be there. V1 plus ing will be there. You will be adding being at the appropriate place. Was or were, subject will means this one. Was or were will be there. Not added being and V3. Let's read the example. Were the leaders not making false promises? Now false promises is plural. So were false promises not being made by the leaders? Were false promises not being made by the leaders? In a perfect tense, you will be having again not here in the structure of the question. So had not V3 will change into had not been and V3. Had you not locked the door? Had the door not been locked by you? Before I start with the exercise, bachche, please listen to these rules again. If somewhere you feel that nothing went into your head, so please watch it again, listen to the rule part again, then only take up the exercise part. That is classroom assignment 73. I will be taking up question number 2 बच्चे, and earlier also in present tenses I explained you all these categories 1, 2, 3, 4 are according to the rules given here. So you can also mark the categories, take up the rules one by one once again, and simultaneously solve your exercise. Okay. The airport authorities cancelled all the flights. This is my subject. It will go according to this first category. Cancelled is my verb. All the flights, object. Plural object is there. So, all the flights were, past tense है ना बेटा इसलिए, were cancelled by the airport authorities. I'm saving my time. Next, category 2. India did not win the cricket match. This is negative, affirmative. Okay, negative sentence, not affirmative, negative sentence. Did not win is my verb, and this is my object. So subject becomes object, object becomes subject. You may try like this. First write, the cricket match. See this, initially the beginners can begin like this. The cricket match. India, you place it here. Now my job is to work on the verb. Cricket match singular, past tense का बेटा, तो was not won by India. I hope you are getting it. Next is interrogative, category 3 on this page. This one. You may read the rules before taking up the question under this category. Did you paint all these pictures? Did and paint, verb. You, subject. All these pictures, object. Place first the object. Verb है ना बेटा, question mark. तो did, for the verb did, because this is plural, तो क्या बनेगा, were. Then all these pictures. Then you is there. You will remain you only. उससे पहले हम y लगाते हैं. अब verb change करो. Were all these pictures painted by you? Next. Did you not pay the bills? Here I will like to take a continuous tense. Okay. Were the cows not eating grass? The cows, subject, grass, object. Let me place grass first. In place of position of this object, I will place my object, this one here now. Question mark is important. Here I have forgotten a question mark. So, were grass. Grass is singular. तो क्या होगा बेटा? Was. Was grass. Now verb not ing है तो क्या लगना है बेटे? being. Was grass not being ate, eaten होता है बेटा by the cows. Try like this. Change the place of subject object first. Put them under the questions only, same position. Then it will be very easy for you to work on the verb pattern. I hope you got it. If not, there is only one choice, to go through the video explaining the rules part again and then take up the exercise side by side. Thank you children. Have a nice day.